Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for May 16 to 31, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, Scorpio. Let's see. Anong energies for you second half ng May? You have Wolf Teacher. So, maaring kayo ay merong tuturuan. You're going to share your knowledge, your skills. Some of you, kayo ay spiritual teacher. Yung iba naman, literal na teacher sa school, or you can be a coach, trainer. So, anyone na nagsishare ng kanilang talento at skills. We also have Horse, which is travel. So, maaring may opportunity ka na makapag-travel. And, ang dahilan nito is because meron kang tuturuan doon sa lugar na pupuntahan mo. So, yung iba, pwedeng may teaching opportunity sa'yo sa ibang bansa or sa ibang lugar. You have the Strength. Strength, lakas, no? Lakas ng loob, courage na harapin yung challenges na meron kayo. Maari ring ito ay pagpapalakas ng inyong katawan. Yung iba sa inyo, kayo ay coach or trainer sa gym, or coach, life coach. This can also be focusing on overcoming some challenges sa buhay mo. Parang may pinaghahandaan ka rito. It's either may pinaghahandaan kang bagong journey, like a challenge sa buhay mo. Like for example, ikaw ay sasali sa isang marathon. O syempre, 'di ba, dapat paghandaan mo 'yan. You have to be physically fit para maka-join ka sa marathon na 'yan. Yung iba naman pwedeng exams, pinaghahandaan mo. So, kumbaga challenge 'yun sa'yo kung paano mo to malalagpasan, ma-overcome. So, let's see what else, Scorpio. You have the Two of Cups. So, this is a romantic connection, relationship. Pwedeng papasok ka sa bagong relationship. But be very careful kasi maaring hindi totoo. Talagang pinag-overthink no? Actually, mararamdaman mo yan if the intention of the person is true to you. Kung totoo yung intention ng taong to. Pwede rin kasi itong business partnership, may ino-offer siya na investment. So, be very careful. Some of you, kung hindi naman para sa lahat to but I see someone na merong nagkakaroon ng interest sa'yo na boss mo or someone na in authority sa'yo. Okay? So, mag-ingat kasi syempre, pag inisip mo, no, nakakadagdag ng pride, no, or ng ego, no, nakakalakas ng ego natin kapag meron tayong boss na nagkakagusto sa atin. Kasi boss yan diba? But, most of them, meron na silang responsibilities. So, be careful in getting yourself involved in this situation. Yung iba naman, this can be yung ino-offer sa'yo na trabaho, maging maingat ka sa pagpili kasi baka hindi mo nabasa ng maayos yung kontrata. So, make sure that you are reading the contracts. You have Temperance and the King and the Queen of Cups. That is your energy, Queen of Cups. Temperance is balance, bringing balance into your life, putting things in moderation. So, maaring ang isa sa aayusin mo rin sa sarili mo, yung iyong health, kalusugan, na putting things in moderation, let's say sa diet mo, hindi sobra, yung tama lang. Um, I also see someone asking for forgiveness. Pwedeng hihingi siya ng tawad sa'yo or ikaw yung hihingi ng tawad. This can be a person na umalis na sa buhay mo or maaring aalis ka sa sitwasyon na yan but you feel bad about it kasi ikaw yung may problema or ikaw yung may kasalanan. Yeah, to start something new. Yung iba, this can be a new job or career or opportunity na sisimulan mo. Pero bago mo yun gawin, kailangan mo munang umalis sa isang existing situation na sa tingin mo magiging conflict lang yan kung ipagpapatuloy mo pa or isasabay mo sa bago mong plano. May bringer ng good news for you. So this can be a contract offer sa'yo, trabaho, business, especially sa abroad. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, Scorpio, meron dito talagang 2 beses lumabas yung mountain. So, may challenge na darating. Okay? And basta maging maingat ka sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. Kasi some people might take advantage of you. So, maging vigilant ka of getting to know yung mga taong i-involve mo sa projects mo. There's also happiness here. Pleasure. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong gagawing activities that will bring pleasure sa buhay nyo, especially if this is travel opportunities. You will feel good about it. So, kumbaga parang pang-distress mo, no? Pang-tanggal ng stress. Kung ito ay may kinalaman sa pagbabakasyon. May collaboration, trabaho, sa business, sa career. Something better awaits. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong bagong papasukin na business venture or collaboration, partnership sa trabaho that is going to be successful or mas okay siya sa situation mo ngayon. So, it's time to make that decision and follow your path. Take some risk. Minsan kailangan rin nating sumugal, no? Yung hindi yung totoong sugal. Yung susugal tayo sa buhay, no? Magte-take tayo ng risk. Okay. Kasi usually, mga nagte-take ng risk, sila yung nakakakuha ng mas magagandang resulta. So, sa relationship, yung iba, maaring magiging open kaya sa isang relationship with someone na kahit magkaanak kayo, pero hindi kayo magkakaroon ng parang open relationship, tas may anak, pero walang commitment. Naku, mag-ingat kayo sa ganun. Kasi mahirap ang may anak. Totoo lang. Kasi hindi lang naman financial ang kailangan ng anak ng bata. Maraming aspeto sa buhay. You have the Lovers and the Two of Coins. So, the Lovers is about commitment. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring merong magkakaanak. Mabubuntis or makakabuntis. So, just take what resonates. So, it will really require you to do more. Kailangan mas able ka to provide. If not, kung hindi naman to sa pagkakaroon ng anak, this can also be yung parang you are healing your inner child. And your person, yung iba sa inyo, pareho kayo ng person mo, you are both healing your inner child through travel or through the things na gusto nyo ma-experience na hindi nyo na-experience nung bata pa kayo. You will soon enter into a beneficial partnership, luck, and longevity bless this union. Oh my God. This is a confirmation. Papasok ka sa isang beneficial partnership. This can be sa relationship or sa business, career. Be bold and confident. Use all of your resources to create your dreams. Being bold. So, ibig sabihin yan, talagang go-getter ka. Na you always go for your goals, your dreams. Kasi you have the resources na that you need, no? Meron ka na, andyan na yan, existing na yan. Kailangan mo na lang talagang i-explore and i-discover. Okay? So that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.